So, how is it that peer feedback can help you to become a better writer? 1. It raises audience awareness. As you read other people's papers, you will be able to identify the type of information necessary to help you, as a reader, understand a text, as well as unnecessary details that simply get in the way. 2. More readers, more feedback. Having multiple people read your assignments will raise the amount of feedback you can get. You won't be relying solely on your teacher, but instead you will also have the support of a network of people who know your topic and are also learning how to become better at giving feedback. 3. It is a good opportunity to improve your language skills. As you're making comments and suggestions, you will likely have to think of better ways to say what your classmate is trying to say. This will push you to use English in a way that is more creative and challenging. 4. It will prepare you for the workplace. Once you leave the safety of university, you will enter a new environment where you will have to judge other people's work and have your work go through the same process. This is a skill that takes time to develop, so it's better you start soon. 5. It will help you become more independent. As we mentioned before, when you're giving and receiving peer feedback, you're not only depending on your teacher, but also developing the skills that will help you to quickly identify what is working and what is not in your own papers. In case you are not convinced, research shows that peer feedback helps us become more aware of what quality looks like. What's more, it is more beneficial to the giver than to the receiver, because analyzing someone else's work is more cognitively engaging than receiving comments, so you have no excuse to not put more effort into the next paper you revise for a classmate.